today's machines they're great. We can do time of day pricing. So let's say on Wednesdays, your slow days, we can do a senior day from 10 to 2. And so we could have reduced pricing. A lot of the newer machines as well, we've got the ability with different type of card systems where we can that'll track your purchases. So we can give away, hey, 10 washes, you get one free, you get a free wash on your birthday. There's different ways of marketing your laundromat to get the volumes up. There's some great programs out there for pickup and delivery services, getting in commercial space to do maybe some hotel work or maybe some small dentist or doctor's offices. So there's a lot of ways that you can really increase your business within that laundromat. But you know what the biggest one is? Keep it clean and all your machines working and have functionally good, great equipment, well lit, safe. The word of mouth will be incredible what will happen just taking care of some of the basics even.